Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our brand new 2018 Chevrolet Cruze's RS Edition. Now this is an LT model. Apple Chevrolet is offering $4,000 in savings for all of its customers on this specific vehicle. Now, certain customers can qualify for 0% financing for 72 months, plus an additional $500 if they finance through GM Financial. Now, this vehicle does come with our black Chevy decals and our custom aluminum rims. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, we can see that we do have our black cloth leather seating. There is our back seat. When it comes to the front of the vehicle, we have heated seating, a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. You guys have a great day.